What if your entire workflow, from lead capture to follow-up, could run itself? Now it can, with Zapier. With tools like interfaces, tables, and AI-powered chatbots, Zapier lets you go beyond simple task automation and build full systems that do the heavy lifting for you. You can quickly spin up forms to capture leads, store everything in a database, and even launch a chatbot that answers questions automatically. But the real power is when you connect all these tools together, so your data flows, your tasks trigger, and your business runs like a well-oiled machine. In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple automated system using all of these. No coding required. We'll start by building a customer portal using Zapier interfaces. Then we'll set up a table to collect customer data and a chatbot to handle live conversations. Both the portal and the chatbot feed into Zapier Tables, giving us one place to store everything. From there, we'll use Zaps to automatically take action. Things like creating a support ticket, sending a follow-up email, or scheduling a call. The result? A cohesive ecosystem that helps you scale your business through automation. To start, we'll want to set up a lead capture form with Zapier interfaces. We can set this up manually for optimal customization. However, Zapier has pre-built templates on their websites that make this process super easy. To find your template, click on the orange globe on the right-hand side of your screen to open up the Discover page. From there, under Use Cases, you can click Lead Management and then scroll down to find the lead capture template. Select it and your template is now set up. We can then customize our templates as we see fit. Under Pages, click on the Contact Us page. From there, you can add, subtract, or edit any fields to help you gather information you need from your potential customers. Once that's done, go back into the home page and select Create Page. Let's name our new page Chatbot. From there, type in Chatbot into the text field and select it on the drop-down menu. You can then create a chatbot by selecting Create New Chatbot. From there, give your chatbot a directive and a greeting. In this case, we'll want our chatbot to extract lead capture form information and assist with any questions. Next, we'll want to add some knowledge sources to help the chatbot answer questions that might come up. You can include web pages, files, or tables, whatever makes the most sense for your business. Once you've added your sources, head over to the Logic tab to set the rules for how the chatbot collects and responds with that information. Great, your chatbot's all set up. The best part about interfaces and chatbots is that whenever you build anything with interfaces or Zapier chatbots, a table is automatically created for you and linked within your interface or chatbot for easy access. That means that any data you receive is automatically sent to your table, so you or your team can store, track, and analyze it in one spot. Now that you have that precious information stored in a table, it's time to take action on it. Tables connect to thousands of apps, so you can create Zaps, all from within your table, that perform your actions across your tech stack. To improve your lead management, you can do things like add a support ticket, send a follow-up email, or schedule a follow-up call with your clients. Let's set up a Zap that sends a follow-up email to our client. To start, click on the field you want your Zap to be connected to and select Edit Field on the drop-down. From there, you can click Create. You'll then be brought to your Zap page. Click on the Action step, type in your preferred email app, and select Send Email as your action event. Log into your Gmail account or whatever account you choose to use, and then we can assign our tables data into the Action Apps fields. Once you publish it, the Zap will now be connected to your tables, interfaces, and chatbots. By automating all these processes under one roof, you can create a cohesive ecosystem where every piece of your workflow is linked, letting you see how your interfaces, chatbots, and tables connect to each Zap. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to Zapier for more walkthroughs. We've got a whole playlist just for beginners. See you in the next one!